Simple kitchen-made oil controls diabetes, cholesterol, and cures kidneys. Cinnamon has been used for thousands of years as a spice ingredient in kitchen. Cinnamon has many health benefits as well. It provides iron, calcium, and minerals to our bodies. Cinnamon for type 2 diabetes. According to the American Diabetes Care, cinnamon reduces serum glucose, triglyceride, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol in people with type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon for cholesterol improves serum glucose, lowering fasting blood glucose and reducing triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. These are all benefits that can help even including those with hereditary cholesterol worries or problems. Cinnamon for kidneys. Unhealthy lifestyles can have a tremendous negative effect on kidney, which leading to failure of the kidneys. Alloxan and other environmental toxins are eliminated from kidneys by regular use of cinnamon. How to make cinnamon oil? Ingredients: cinnamon sticks, olive oil, tall and wide-mouthed bowl, and amber bottle. Process: place cinnamon sticks into the bowl. Pour olive oil on sticks to cover whole sticks. Keep in a warm area for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Shake once in every day to mix olive oil with the sticks. After 3 weeks, pull out cinnamon sticks. Strain the oil. Place the oil in an airtight amber bottle. Store in a cool, dry place. Directions to use: mix 1 or 2 drops in your tea or drinking water and drink slowly. Do this daily for better results. You can use few drops in hot water for bath. Mix cinnamon oil with carrier oil and massage on stomach for digestion problems. By doing this regularly, you can reduce diabetes, cholesterol, and kidney problems. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Fenugreek, that is methi herbal tea for diabetes. Fenugreek, a traditional herbal treatment for diabetes. Do you know fenugreek is a good supplement to cure diabetes and keeps you healthy? Fenugreek seeds contain fiber and other chemicals that helps to slow digestion and the body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. Benefits with fenugreek: keeping your blood sugar at normal levels, maintain healthy blood glucose levels. Fenugreek used in cooking are generally considered good for health. Fenugreek seeds helps to control type 2 diabetes. Making of fenugreek tea: 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, required amount of water, lemon for additional flavor, and sugar or honey to sweeten. Take a crusher and crush some fenugreek seeds in it. Boil water in required amount using kettle or stove. Crush the fenugreek seeds lightly and mix with boiled water, and now cover with a lid and leave for 3 minutes, then strain it with regular strainer. Use half teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey to avoid methi bitter taste. Now, fenugreek tea is ready to take for diabetes-free and good digestion. Fenugreek tea can take hot or cold. Take fenugreek tea daily for good results. Best ways of consuming fenugreek seeds are: roast dry fenugreek seeds on medium-high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently and add 1 teaspoon over Indian curries, salads, and fried dishes. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight, keeping them in a jar covered with a cloth for few days until tiny green shoots appear. The sprouted fenugreek seeds can be added to any kind of salads or can take directly. Tip: fenugreek powder and curd mix works wonder for hair and maintains healthy scalp. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Homemade medicine to control diabetes. Diabetes can be cured naturally by using Ayurvedic simple home remedies following from ancient times which we don't know. Let us see how diabetes can cure naturally by using black cumin and cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and ivory seeds. Black cumin. Black cumin seeds decreases high blood glucose levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by cells. Cumin seeds help to block formation of age-advanced glycation end products typical in most diabetes. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are being used as traditional herbal treatment for diabetes. It is a good supplement to cure diabetes. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 25 grams, cumin seeds called jeera 25 grams, kalonji seeds, that is black jeera 25 grams, and ajwain 25 grams. Preparation: add fenugreek seeds in hot pan and roast on medium-high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently until it gets red-brown in color as shown in video and keep it aside. Now fry ajwain, black cumin and brown cumin seeds until it gets light red-brown color. Repeat. Until it gets light red-brown color. Now add fenugreek seeds and all ingredients one by one in grinder and switch on mixer to make ingredients into powder. Check the powder for solid parts to be grinded and switch on grinder to mix thoroughly. Fenugreek and black cumin powder is now ready, and take it in a small container box and use it in regular diet for good results. Usage rule: mix 1 teaspoon of fenugreek and black cumin powder in glass of water and take in daily usage before breakfast and dinner, and check diabetes levels for every 3 days. By taking this powder regularly, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. 2 green leaves kills your diabetes naturally. Diabetes, often referred to by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose either because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly to insulin. Are you fed up with treatment and daily medicines? Then go with these amazing leaves. You will get amazed with results. How to make medicine? No need to eat, no need to drink its juice. Just touch your foot palm. Yes, it is true, a different remedy for you to treat your diabetes. For this, we need 2 fresh oak leaves. Process to follow. Take 2 full leaves of oak plant. Turn opposite side, that is back side of the leaf. Place leaf under your socks to touch foot palm like shown in video. Make sure that leaf backside touching your foot palm. Place another leaf to the other leg in same process and wear socks. Allow these leaves to stay full day under your feet. Remove before going to bed and clean your legs. Repeat this process for 1 week with new leaves. After 1 week, check your blood sugar level. You will be amazed. Repeat this process until you get normal blood sugar levels. Note: don't allow oak leaves milk inside your eyes. It may damage eyesight. It should not be used during pregnancy and lactation time. By doing this regularly for 1 week, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. 6 things you should do regularly to reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle diseases in the world. India is among the top 3 countries with about 64.5 million people affected by diabetes till last year. Moreover, it has been predicted that diabetes will be the 7th largest killer in the world by 2030. Diabetes is a chronic disease with no known cure, and the medication available only helps in keeping the blood sugar levels as close to normal to avoid other health complications. But you should know that you can reduce the risk of diabetes by taking certain preventive measures. Simple lifestyle measures have been shown to be effective in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining normal body weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and eating a healthy diet can reduce the risk of diabetes. Here are 6 tips to help reduce the risk. Lose excess body fat. Being overweight is a big risk factor for diabetes. In contrast, every kilogram of weight lost reduces the risk of diabetes by 16%. Adopt a healthier lifestyle as opposed to going on diets or starving the body. Small lifestyle choices go a long way in controlling weight and maintaining long-term health. Follow a balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and good sources of fat. Foods to avoid are those rich in trans fats, processed food. Complex carbohydrates are rich in fiber and are not highly processed like refined carbohydrates. They take longer to digest and hence provide a sustained source of energy for a longer duration. Keep yourself hydrated. Studies link sugar sweetened beverages with obesity and diabetes. Cut them out of your diet, and the risk of both elements falls. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Eat lots of fruits and sip decaffeinated herbal tea to keep yourself getting dehydrated. Physical exercise. Physical inactivity raises the risk of diabetes. Exercise renders cells more sensitive to insulin. Brisk walking does the trick. Low intensity exercise done constantly over a period of at least 35 to 40 minutes, 5 times a week, should be more than enough to keep your body in shape. Over exercising on high intensity comes with its own problems like joint tissues, lower protein mass in the body, as well as muscle fatigue, especially when you are overweight. Once you drop some of the pounds, you can be introducing strength, flexibility, and endurance training. Make sure you do that with a trained and certified coach. Stressless. The stress response triggers the release of several hormones that increase blood sugar. Studies show that mindfulness meditation improves the ability to cope with stress. Physical activity and social support also help relieve stress. Sleep well. Chronic sleep deprivation and poor quality sleep increases the risk of diabetes and obesity. Try to establish regular bedtimes. Make sure you get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is ideal. Not getting enough rest not only affects your body, it influences how well you work and how much you enjoy life.